Welcome class 8th. I hope you all are well. So children, as you know that we were doing chapter light, right? And in this chapter light we have studied till images formed by a convex mirror. Yes? So as well as also we have studied uses of spherical mirror. Now children, in that uses we have studied about the concave mirror and convex mirror. I hope you remember the properties of both the mirrors, that concave mirrors are also known as your converging mirrors because they have property to converge the rays at a particular point, and convex mirror has a property to diverge the rays को आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन रेज को क्या कर देती है, डाइवर्ज कर देती है, फैला देती है. दैट इज द रीजन कॉन्वेक्स मिरर्स आर यूज्ड इन स्ट्रीट लाइट रिफ्लेक्टर्स. बिकॉज क्या होगा, रिफ्लेक्ट होने के बाद रेज क्या हो जाएंगी, फैल जाएंगी, स्कैटर हो जाएंगी, डाइवर्ज हो जाएंगी. दैट इज द रीजन दे आर यूज्ड इन कॉन्वेक्स मिरर स्ट्रीट लाइट रिफ्लेक्टर्स. ओके, now children, there is one question here, think and answer. Just see here. Why can concave mirrors not be used as rear view mirrors in vehicles? Now children, you have seen that in our vehicles, that is your rear view mirror, concave mirrors are not used. Okay, instead of that, which mirror is used? Convex mirror. So what is the reason? Children, the big reason, or you can say the most important reason, is that concave mirror, the mainly concave mirror forms what kind of image? Inverted image. Okay, concave mirror forms inverted image of a distant object. Okay, if suppose any vehicle is moving and any other vehicle is coming from the back side, it is at the further distant from that front vehicle. So what you need? You need a convex mirror, because convex mirror always forms which what kind of image? Erect image, सीधी image दिखाती है. But concave mirror mainly forms inverted image of a distant object. Only for a particular situation, as you know, that is when the object is between P and F, then it forms erect image. But this is a special case for concave mirror. Okay, otherwise children, you can see that it always forms inverted image. अब अगर image उल्टी बनाएगी, upside down बनाएगी, is it safe to use as a rear view mirror in vehicle? No. That is the reason convex mirrors are used, not concave. Okay, because convex mirror has a property to form erect image. Erect image बनाती है. I hope children this thing is clear to you. Now children, today we are going to study new topic, that is your refraction of light. Now children, this topic is very very important, so I hope you are going to listen it very carefully. Now children, there is a difference between refraction and reflection. I hope you will not get confused between these two terms. Okay, now what is refraction of light? Now children, it is given here that place a pencil in a glass of water and immerse a coin in a glass of water. What do you notice? The pencil appears to be bent at the point it enters the water, and the coin appears to be raised. This optical effect occurs due to bending of light. Now children, let me show you this by practical example. Just give me 1 second. Just wait. Okay children, now see, here I have brought a glass of water, just see. Okay, and I am going to put a coin inside this. Okay, now if you are going to observe this from the side view mirror, okay, side view से अगर आप इसको देखोगे तो you will find, side से आप देखोगे, इधर से आप just see, अगर आप side view से देखोगे, okay, from the side view if you are going to observe, you will find that you can see the coin is raised. Yes or no? coin क्या हो रही है? raised हो रही है. हमें लग रहा है, you can see here, हमको ऐसा लग रहा है coin थोड़ा सा उठ गया है. You can see here, अगर आप side view से देखोगे, and if I am going to dip a pencil like this, just see. Do you find that it seems like pencil is bent at the point of separation? आपको ऐसा लग रहा है? Just see. You can see two images. हाँ, just see. लग रहा है पेंसिल यहाँ पर क्या हो गई है? ब्रेक हो गई है. I hope you are observing this thing. Okay, साइड व्यू से आप देखोगे बेटा, आपको यहाँ पर लग रहा है कि पेंसिल क्या हो गई है? ब्रेक हो गई है. ओके, और जब आप कॉइन को देखते हो साइड व्यू मिरर से, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व कॉइन, इट सीम्स दैट कॉइन इज रेज्ड. लग रहा है जैसे कॉइन क्या हो गई है? रेज हो गई है. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू डिप द पेंसिल, यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट एट द पॉइंट ऑफ सेपरेशन, जहां पर वाटर का सेपरेशन हो रहा है, ओके, जहां पर वाटर का सेपरेशन हो रहा है, लाइक हेयर वाटर और एयर का सेपरेशन हो रहा है, यू विल फाइंड दैट पेंसिल हैज बीन ब्रोकन इनटू टू पार्ट्स. कैन यू सी चिल्ड्रन? It seems that pencil has been broken into two parts. Yes? Yes, I hope I am able to make you see. Okay, children. So, what all are these effects? Okay, children. What all are these effects? These effects are your refraction. Okay. These are the optical effect of refraction of light. Okay, just see, I have shown you this example. You can see here it has not been shown very properly, but I have shown you practical example. Okay, in the same way you find that coin, it seems when you dip the coin inside the glass of water, and when you see this coin from the side view, you observe that coin has been raised. Similarly, when you dip the pencil inside the glass of water and again you observe from the side view, you observe that it seems that pencil has been broken into two parts. So, what all are these effects? These effects are caused because of the refraction of light. ये ऐसा हमें क्यों लग रहा है? हम कोई चीज वाटर में डिप कर रहे हैं और हम उसको साइड से देख रहे हैं, तो वी फाइंड द थिंग्स आर ब्रोकन और थिंग्स आर सीम्स टू बी रेज्ड. व्हाई दीज थिंग्स हैपन? दीज थिंग्स हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. पानी में कोई चीज गई है और हम साइड से देख रहे हैं, वो चीज हमें रेज्ड लग रही है या वो चीज हमें ब्रोकन पार्ट में लग रही है. सो व्हाट ऑल आर दीज इफेक्ट? दीज इफेक्ट्स आर कॉज्ड ड्यू टू रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. द ऑप्टिकल इफेक्ट अकर्स ड्यू टू द bending of light. And why does this effect occurs? This effect occurs because of the bending of light. And why this light bends? Refraction में bending of light क्यों होती है? Because when light rays passes from one medium to another medium, it gets bent. Okay? जब भी लाइट रे एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जाती है, तो लाइट रे क्या हो जाती है? बेंड हो जाती है. एंड दिस बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट व्हेन इज नोन एज योर रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. I hope children I have made you understood this thing. Okay, why our pencil seems to be broken when it is dipped inside a glass of water? Because when the light rays passes from air, you know, outside the glass is the air and inside the glass the water is there. So air is one medium and water is another medium. Two medium are there. So when light ray passes from one medium to another, it gets bends, and due to this bending of light, the phenomena of refraction takes place. Okay. So same thing is written here. When light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium of different density, it bends from its original path at the surface of separation of two media. Now media means what, children? Media is nothing but it is your medium. Okay. Now suppose, children, it is said that suppose there is a tub. Okay, tub, or you can say utensil. Tub is there, and inside this tub water is there. Okay, so children, this inside the tub water is there, so this will be your one medium. And outside the tub, यहाँ पर बाकी tub के बाहर क्या है? Air है. Yes, tub के बाहर air है. So this is your medium one. Okay, और tub के अंदर क्या है? What is there inside the tub? Water is there. So this is another medium. Yes. This pen is not working, children. Okay, water is there. Okay, this is another medium. Let us say it is medium 2. So it is said, children, that suppose there is, and this is your line of separation. Suppose this is now I'm taking a big tub. Okay, this is having a water. This is your medium 2, and outside the tub is the air. That is your medium 1. Now it is said, children, that when light rays passes from one medium, suppose this is a light ray, it passes from one medium to another medium, then what happens? At the surface of separation of two media, what takes place? Bending of light takes place. Bending of light takes place, and this bending of light is known as your refraction of light. Okay, children. अगर आप देखा जाए तो if the light ray is striking like this, so it should go straight in another medium also. But instead of going straight, what happens? Light rays bends, and because of this bending of light, what happens? Phenomena of refraction takes place. Okay, and this bending of light depends upon density of the medium. Okay, this bending of light depends upon the density of two different mediums. Okay, same thing is given here, children, that when light rays travel from one transparent medium to another transparent medium of different density. Yes or no, children? Just see, air is one of the medium and water is another medium. Okay, and you all know that air and water have different density. Yes or no? Air की density अलग होती है, water की density अलग होती है. So whenever light rays passes from one medium to another, then instead of going straight जाने की बजाय क्या हो जाती है? Bend हो जाती है. अगर देखा जाए तो लाइट रे को स्ट्रेट ऐसे जाना चाहिए, बट स्ट्रेट जाने की बजाय लाइट रे क्या हो जाती है? बेंड हो जाती है ओरिजिनली, एंड दिस बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट इज नोन एज योर रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. आई होप चिल्ड्रन आई एम क्लियर टू यू. नाउ हाउ रिफ्रैक्शन अकर्स? Refraction occurs because light travels from different media at different speed. Okay, this is very important line, children. Why does refraction takes place? आखिर भाई refraction होता क्यों है? Refraction क्या होता है? Refraction is the bending of light. Bending of light when light passes from one medium to another medium of different density. Okay, like here you can have seen that suppose this is air medium, this is water medium. Suppose the light is passing here, so light क्या हो रही है? पास हो रही है one medium से दूसरे medium में. तो instead of going straight, वो क्या हो जाती है? Bend हो जाती है. And when light rays passes from one medium to another medium of different density, it gets bends, and this bending of light is known as your refraction. Now the question is here, children, that why does refraction occurs? Because light travels through different speeds in different medium, or you can say media. अलग अलग मीडियम में लाइट की स्पीड क्या होती है? डिफरेंट होती है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है? बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट अकर्स होता है, एंड बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट इज नथिंग बट इट इज योर रिफ्रैक्शन. सो व्हाई डज रिफ्रैक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, चिल्ड्रन? रिफ्रैक्शन टेक्स प्लेस ड्यू टू refraction takes place because light travels through different speeds in different medium. Okay, like light travels with different speed in air and at different speed in water. Okay, now children, it is given that light travels fastest in vacuum at the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. As you all know that what is vacuum? Vacuum is the space where no air or no gaseous substance is there. So vacuum में क्या होती है? That is the reason it is said that light does not require any you can say any medium. We say that light does not require any medium because why do we say like that? Because light travels fastest in vacuum. And what is the speed of light in vacuum? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now children, for practical purpose, or you can say for practical uses also, practical studies also, we take the speed of light which is in vacuum, same speed we take in air also. So air के लिए भी that we also consider that in air also for practical purpose हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि air में भी light की speed क्या है, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now here children you can see a table chart is given where it is shown that light travels with different speeds in different medium. This table is very important. It usually comes in your exam. Okay. So सबसे बड़ी बात है बेटा कि refraction क्यों होता है? Refraction takes place because light travels in different medium through different speeds. And what is refraction? When light travels from one medium, one transparent medium to another transparent medium, then at the surface of the separation, the bending of light takes place, and this phenomena of bending is known as refraction. Now children, the media in which light travels faster are called optically rarer medium, and those in which light travels slower are called optically denser medium. Now children, what is optically rarer medium or optically denser medium? Like here it is given, the media in which light travels faster, जिस मीडियम में लाइट तेजी से मूव करती है, फास्ट मूव करती है, that medium is known as rarer medium. Okay, like here you can see where the speed is more, 2.25, 2.20, 2.17. Here the speed is greatest in water. It means water क्या है? Water is your rarer medium. Okay. और जहां पर स्पीड कम होगी, सबसे स्लो होगी, like your ग्लास में क्या हो रहा है? 1.8 into 10 to the power 8. तो ग्लास में इसकी स्पीड सबसे कम है लाइट की, तो इट मीन्स ग्लास इज विच काइंड ऑफ मीडियम? डेंसर मीडियम. ग्लास आपका डेंसर मीडियम है. और वाटर में लाइट की स्पीड सबसे ज्यादा है, सो वाटर इज योर रेयर मीडियम. सो विच मीडियम यू विल से, रेयर और डेंसर? द मीडियम इन विच लाइट ट्रेवल्स फास्टर. जिस मीडियम में लाइट बहुत तेजी से मूव करती है, फास्टेस्ट मूव करती है, फास्टर मूव करती है, उस मीडियम को हम क्या कहते हैं? रेयर मीडियम. और जिस मीडियम में लाइट स्लो मूव करती है या स्लोवर हो जाती है, दैट मीडियम इज नोन एज डेंसर मीडियम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिटवीन एयर एंड वाटर, एयर इज ऑप्टिकली रेयर, ओके, एंड वाटर इज ऑप्टिकली डेंसर. अब अगर हम एयर और वाटर का एग्जाम्पल लें, सो एयर इज ऑप्टिकली रेयर. एयर रेयर मीडियम है. रेयर मीडियम मतलब यहां पर स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट क्या होगी? फास्टर होगी. और वाटर डेंसर मीडियम है. डेंसर मीडियम मीन्स हियर द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट विल बी स्लोअर. Now why we are saying that in air air is your rarer medium and water is your denser medium? Because air has less density than water. Air की density क्या है? कम है water के comparison में. Here the molecules are less closely packed as compared to water. Therefore light can travel easily through air as compared with water. As compared with water. Because the density of air is less than that of water. तो अगर air की density कम है, इसका मतलब molecules are quite far apart and hence the light will get the space to easily pass through the air. और water अगर optically कैसा medium है? denser medium है. इसका मतलब in water the molecules are more closely packed and hence light will face difficulty in passing through water. उसकी स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी? कम हो जाएगी वाटर में, क्योंकि वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स मोर क्लोजली पैक्ड है. अगर मॉलिक्यूल्स मोर क्लोजली पैक्ड है तो इट मीन्स वाटर इज मोर डेंसर देन एयर. दैट इज द रीजन इट इज सेड दैट एयर इज रेयर मीडियम, बिकॉज हेयर light can travel faster, and water is denser medium because here light will travel slower because water has more density than air. water में क्या होगा? it will provide obstruction क्योंकि molecules more closely packed होंगे. whereas between water and glass, अगर हम water और glass के बीच में comparison करें तो which will be more denser? glass will be more denser, hence water क्या हो जाएगा? rarer हो जाएगा and glass will be your denser medium. When light enters an optically denser medium, its speed becomes slower. Okay, to compensate for the change in speed, light re-edges its path to choose a shorter route out of the denser medium. The reverse occur for the the reverse occur for the light entering an optically rarer medium. Now it is said, children, that in denser medium the speed of light gets reduced, or you can say the light becomes slower. ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि denser medium में molecules are more closely packed and hence it will be difficult for a light to move. Okay, तो अगर हम बात करते हैं like here, suppose children, here light is moving from one medium to another. Okay, so as you know that air is what? Air is quite, air कैसा मीडियम है? एयर हमारा रेयर मीडियम है वाटर के कंपैरिजन में. ओके, सो इफ एयर इज रेयर मीडियम इन कंपैरिजन टू वाटर, तो इफ द लाइट रे इज गोइंग टू इंसिडेंट एट द सर्फेस ऑफ सेपरेशन पे इंसिडेंट करेगी, तो क्या होगा? एंड व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू पास इन अनदर मीडियम, सो इट विल बेंड और नॉट, because two mediums are different. Okay, and what else is given? Now since as you know that in denser medium में speed क्या हो जाती है? denser medium में speed कम हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से as you know light rays has to adjust its speed. क्योंकि स्पीड कम हो जा रही है डेंसर मीडियम में, तो लाइट रे को अपनी स्पीड को एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है, और उस एडजस्ट करने के चक्कर में द लाइट रेज दे टेक अ शॉर्टर पाथ, एंड ड्यू टू बिकॉज ऑफ टेकिंग अ शॉर्टर पाथ द लाइट रेज बेंड्स. आई होप चिल्ड्रन आई एम क्लियर टू यू. सो डेंसर मीडियम में स्पीड ऑफ लाइट क्या हो जाती है? कम हो जाती है, क्योंकि डेंसर मीडियम में मॉलिक्यूल्स आर मोर क्लोजली पैक्ड, और रेयर मीडियम में स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट क्या होती है? मैक्सिमम होती है, बिकॉज इन रेयर मीडियम द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर लेस क्लोजली पैक्ड. और बेंडिंग क्यों होती है? बिकॉज व्हेन लाइट रेज पासेस फ्रॉम वन मीडियम टू अनदर, सपोज फ्रॉम रेयर टू डेंसर, तो डेंसर मीडियम में अगर उसकी स्पीड कम हो जाएगी, तो उस स्पीड को कंपनसेट करने के लिए, कंपनसेट मीन्स उस स्पीड को एडजस्ट करने के लिए लाइट रेज टेक्स अ शॉर्टर रूट, और शॉर्टर रूट लेने की वजह से द लाइट रेज बेंड्स. Same thing happen vice versa if the light rays travels from denser to rarer. ऐसा नहीं है कि light rays हमेशा rarer to denser medium जाएगी. अगर denser से rarer में जाएगी, then also it has to adjust its path. Then also the bending of light takes place, and due to that refraction takes place. Now children, the terms related to refraction. Now suppose children, I will explain you with this diagram. Okay, terms related to refraction. You can see, suppose this is the surface of separation of two different medium. This is one medium, this is your air, that is your rarer medium, and this is another medium, water, which is your denser medium. Why air is rarer medium? Because air is less denser than water. So in rarer medium the speed of light is faster, और denser medium में speed of the light क्या हो जाती है? कम हो जाती है. Okay, कम होने की वजह से